Hello, this is Taekyun Kim. Today I'd like to talk about the Lyme disease and the diet. Lyme disease is an infectious disease caused by the bacteria Borrelia. It is transmitted to humans by a bite from an infected black-legged or deer tick. The tick becomes infected after feeding on infected deer, birds, or mice. A tick has to be present on the skin for at least 36 hours to transmit the infection, but many people with Lyme disease have no memory of a tick bite. People with Lyme disease may react to it differently, and the symptoms can vary in severity. Although Lyme disease is commonly divided into three stages, like early localized stage, early disseminated stage, and the late disseminated stage, and their symptoms can be overlapped. A flat or circular rash, fatigue, joint pain and swelling, muscle aches, headache, fever, swollen lymph nodes, disturbed sleeping, difficulty in concentrating. These are common symptoms of Lyme disease. Lyme disease is best treated in the early stage. Treatment for early localized disease is a simple 10 to 14 day course of oral antibiotics to eliminate the infection. It normally takes 14 to 28 days. If people are treated for Lyme disease with antibiotics but continue to experience symptoms, it is referred to as post-Lyme disease syndrome or post-treatment Lyme disease syndrome. About 10 to 20% of people with Lyme disease experience this syndrome, but doctors and scientists do not clearly know why. The symptoms of post-Lyme disease syndrome are similar to those in the earlier stage. Fatigue, difficulty in sleeping, aching joint or muscles, pain or swelling in joint, such as knees, shoulders, or elbows, difficulty in concentrating, short-term memory problems, and speech problems. These are the common symptoms. How the people who have post-Lyme disease syndromes normally do not know how to improve their symptoms well enough. Many orthodox medicine doctors still keep focusing on how to kill the bacteria in this case, and even many of the complementary medicine practitioners are working hard to find out how to kill the bacteria with their own method. However, in my personal opinion, killing the bacteria and improving symptoms are two clear different issues. Killing the bacteria does not mean that it can sort out all the post-Lyme disease symptoms. Therefore, people who have post-Lyme disease syndrome need to keep concentrating on how to improve their daily symptoms. Now, I would like to introduce a good method to deal with the post-Lyme disease symptoms. It is called 8 constitutional therapy. We 8 constitutional therapists divide all the human beings into 8 distinctive individualities according to their 12 internal organs' order of their strengths. People in each of the 8 different body types are born with their own different order of 12 internal organs' strengths. This is called the original balance. We 8 constitutional therapists believe that people who lost their original balance start to suffer from many kinds of disease and symptoms. Therefore, regaining this original balance is a key factor for the post-Lyme disease sufferers to improve their own symptoms. Simply speaking, the treatment of the post-Lyme disease symptoms should be way individual. This means that each person needs to have different treatment according to their own body type. Orthodox medicine doctors and even many other complementary medicine practitioners are trying to approach to the post-Lyme disease symptoms with using generalized one method only. But people are individually all different, so this kind of generalized pinpoint access does not seem to be very effective. Changing diet according to one's own body type is one of the 3 methods of the 8 constitutional therapy. Many people might be able to put some question like, can diet change really improve post-Lyme disease symptoms? The answer is yes, because a specific group of food can help to rebuild the original balance of a typical body type. We human beings have to keep eating food every day until the end of our life. So in the long-term view, the impact of our daily diet for our health condition can be incredibly massive. Keep in mind, please, changing the diet in accordance to one's body type can be one of the fundamental methods to improve the quality of its health, any symptoms of any disease. Thanks for watching this video.